how to clear all cache on Samsung Galaxy phone or tablet. So if you want to clear all cache on your Samsung Galaxy phone or tablet, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply turn off the device, then press the power button and volume up button at the same time until the Samsung logo appears. Then you need to let go of both buttons. You are now in your recovery mode. Now, once you're in your recovery mode, what you need to do is just simply go with the wipe cache partition option. You just need to go and tap on wipe cache partition with your volume up or volume down buttons. And if you want to select that, you can just simply press the power button. And once you do that, your cache will be cleared. After that, you can just simply go and exit or tap on power off and restart your device. And after restarting, the second method will be by opening your settings. So open up settings and then you need to scroll down a bit and then you'll find the option. So open up your settings and tap on apps and go with manage apps. From manage apps, you need to go with search, and here you need to search for any application that you are comfortable with or the application that you would like to remove the cache of. I'll just simply go and select the first application right here, go with clear all data and then tap on clear cache. And once you tap on clear cache, tap on OK, and after clearing your cache, your problem will be fixed. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.